Here in Wake County, a Raleigh man charged in connection with a deadly shooting that sparked public outrage will not face the death penalty and was granted the request for bond. Chad Copley called the incident a case of self-defense, while prosecutors call it murder. CBS North Carolina's David Hurst joins us live with more on today's bond hearing. And David, just walk us through what happened today.
Yeah, Russell, since Copley is not going to be facing the death penalty, that means he is eligible for bond, and the judge did set his bond at $1 million. Copley is accused of shooting and killing 20-year-old Kouren Thomas outside his home last summer. Copley's attorney claims his client acted in self-defense, saying Thomas and his friends posed a threat to his home. In a 911 call, Copley told dispatchers there were, quote, hoodlums racing up and down the streets, and he was going out to secure his neighborhood. His attorney says Copley fired a warning shot with a shotgun and struck Thomas, killing him. Prosecutors charged Copley with first-degree murder, saying Thomas never tried to enter Copley's home. Kouren Thomas's mother tells us she's disappointed, but was not surprised that Copley received a bond.
I miss my son. I miss my son. He was a good kid. And it's just hard. It's hard every day. It's every day. I get up. I just miss my son. There's nothing words can say. And I just want this to come to an end.
And both sides laid out details of that night that we've never heard before. We'll have more on that new information coming up in tonight's shows.